Hey y'all. Here's sorry, I just gotta yeah. Yeah, it's miso soup. Yep. Sorry. Three, two, three, four, five. Hey y'all, this is DJ JJTSD coming at you. Sorry, it's been a while. I just made a video as one of my alter egos, a video film editor from New York, and I'm just editing the sound for the video that I'm about to post, and I thought I'd do a meta video for it, and this is regarding compressing audio. And compressors, they sound big and like something you find on on a tool site where like you're building you're building crazy like tall like fences and like, but you know what I mean. So this is just something that's always bugged me about your content, is that it's just not fudging compressed when I'm falling asleep to your YouTube channel, your YouTube channel of you like how to pick a lock, or like, you know, how to be a sneaky person, how to break into the bank, and you know, this is stuff I fall asleep to, and like it goes from one video to another, and it's just like, hey, this is blah blah blah, like and subscribe, and then it's like this, and then it gets like that, you know. So I just want to show you how to fudge and compress, and what a compressor is. So what we want to do is we want to just pull in the audio. I have a separate monitor, which I found in the garbage. It's a gateway, and it's great. So you can't actually see the video that I'm editing, but if you I will post it before this, so you could play it. You could try to like play the video you could see the time code right here. Oh shit, I grabbed my phone. You can see the time code here, and you could just sort of sync it up, and you can see what I'm doing. So anyway, we will just start by, I guess, playing the tune. So what we see here is we have a lot of peaks, and compared to like this channel here, this one's really quiet, and this one is, look how less. So we want to find the difference. That's why that's there. So what we want to do is we want to go to we're gonna oh no. It's there. Compressor. Mono means one. So let's just listen back. Just putting it like on the out of box prosumer settings. See, even that, if you just do that, it's fine. But what we want to do is make it pro. So what you do is make sure everything is pretty high. There we go. Sorry, I went the wrong way.
Hey, y'all, you guys. Hey, all you crazy rules and girls out there.
Alright, so that sounded way better now. So what you want to do is you want to also limit it. And the rule of thumb is you want to make the dB level -6.
I just wanted to make a video.
Remember that.
About
-6.
this program called Nuke.
So now we could really hear everything that's going on around me, my fan playing, and if you text me, it really brings you into the YouTube video, which you should like and subscribe down here. If you look at the mouse, it's going either that side or this side. Either way. This already sounds so much better. But we're getting a lot of weird low-end rumble from my microphone. So what we're going to do is we're going to add... it's like a DJ EQ. It's a little more complicated than most DJ EQs, but don't be scared of it. You want to take one of these like fork-looking guys and just bring down. The other option is, instead of bringing that down, if you want to be pro about it, take it on the other side and bring it all up, and then slide the hers. Slide it all the way. Wait, not that one. Edit. Whoa. All the way back. So.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Alright. I don't think I should do it that way. Alright, so maybe a little more forward and listen back.
Yep.
Alright, so all that low end hiss is totally gone. Now, just to finalize all this, what you want to do is you want to throw a little spice in there. We're going to do a little stereo spread. Sounds great. And then, to top it all off, you guessed it. Oh, you thought I was going to say limiter? Nope. A multipressor. And you stir them down.
Yeah.
Wow, this sounds amazing. I'm going to keep working on this. Remember, like and subscribe, and just, take it day by day. I know things are rough out there, and, just apply for some jobs and, make your way through the forest of life. But I will see you soon. DJ JJ TSD signing off.